If you're like most people, you've probably tried to make money on the internet before, but it just hasn't quite worked out the way that you want it to. This right here is an 8-figure award from ClickFunnels, making over $10 million from a single website. So I really know what I'm talking about when it comes to making money online. I have over 10,000 students, but a lot of people struggle with one thing. They struggle with what to focus their time on, right? They get shiny object syndrome. They bounce from one thing to the next, from crypto to real estate. None of it quite works out the way that they want it to. Well, luckily for you, I'm about to tell you the number one thing you should be focusing on online if you're trying to make money, if you're trying to earn some passive income and be able to leave that 9-to-5 job. So jump into my computer with me in just 10 seconds. I'm gonna show you step by step a system that I use and thousands of my students have used to start making money online, and you can do it too with very little money to get started. So let's jump into my computer. Let me show you right now. This is an ad right here from an everyday real estate agent, right? Every big real estate agent in the world needs ads on Facebook, whether or not they know they do. And the smart real estate agents, the ones who are getting a ton of leads, who are converting to home buyers and making them a fortune, right? Those are the ones who understand the power of Facebook ads. But the problem is those real estate agents don't know how to do Facebook ads themselves. So what they're doing is they're paying people like me, and hopefully you, if you realize what a ridiculous opportunity this is, they're paying people like me thousands of dollars every single month to set up very simple Facebook ads just like this one. This ad literally would have taken 5 minutes or less to set up. It's just using a photo that the real estate agent provides with a very small amount of text right here, and people click if they're interested, and those people opt in, they give their emails. The real estate agent does all of the work following up and calling those people and setting appointments and doing all of that. All you have to do is connect the dots from A to B and set up very simple Facebook ads exactly like this one. But the one hard part is understanding how to target people correctly to actually get people to sign up for these ads and to, give them their phone numbers and give them their email addresses to the real estate agents so they can actually become leads and make those real estate agents money. And when you make the real estate agent money, they're happy and they want to pay you more. So what we're going to do is we're putting on a completely free training where we're gonna be breaking down exactly how to actually understand the basics of Facebook, which is all you need to set up ads just like this one. Understanding the basics and how to actually target for real estate agents, for insurance agents, for doctors, for all of these cash-rich businesses that need Facebook ads but have no idea and don't have the time to actually learn them themselves. And so what they're gonna do is they're gonna hire you and me to actually come in and do very basic ads just like this one and pay you thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. And the best part is it takes no money to get started. It only takes information inside of your brain, and you can literally get paid as soon as today. Don't be like 99% of people who watch ads just like this on YouTube and don't take any action, right? Be the 1% who actually takes the leap of faith, right? What do you have to lose? Take 30 minutes of your time. Check this out. If you think it's, not cool, don't actually follow through. If you think it's interesting and you understand how this has actually totally changed the lives of thousands of my students, then check it out and we'll see if we can make you my next biggest success story. So what you need to do right now is click the link, somewhere on your screen, join our free training, right? We're gonna be going over exactly step by step what you need to do to start making $1,000, $2,000 every single month like clockwork, setting up very simple ads exactly like this one. So register for our training. I want you to become my next biggest student success story, and we'll see you inside of the training.